Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox HP all-in-one 24GB 1008NE PC. With the touchscreen 24-inch all-in-one PC, you will get a fresh perspective Windows 11 fresh experience. And it's having 12 Gens Intel Core i5 processor for your superior multitasking performance. NVIDIA GeForce MX450 graphic will accelerate your device with high performance and incredible HD photo and video editing, plus faster, smoother gaming. Anti-glare Full HD IPS touchscreen panel is non-reflective and low glossy. 512 GB PCIe SSD storage will boot up in seconds with your lightning fast speed. It's with HP Wide Vision Full HD camera shutter. The 88-degree wide-angle field of view lets you video chat with your entire family or group of friends in stunning details with a privacy camera. You can close when not in use. And it is built in with two microphones and advanced noise reducing software. You will always sound crystal clear when you video chat or record. You can stay powerful connected to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth accessories with the latest Wi-Fi 6 WAN adapter and Bluetooth 5.0. It's having super speed USB Type A port featuring 5 GB PS signal data rating. And also you can adjust the screen to your personal preference with the 5-degree forward or 20-degree backward tilt. I believe now you have brief idea about this HP all-in-one PC. Comment for more details and hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you very much.